wife tries to escape this toxic family, but her spineless husband blocks the door. He threatens she can never return if she takes the child. Ignoring his empty threats, the wife walks out. Her husband tries to chase, but the arrogant mother-in-law stops him, believing she will come back begging. But she immediately returns to her loving parents' home. They welcome her and their grandchild with open arms, a safe haven. Her own mother reassures her she is now safe. They promise to support her and the child for the rest of their lives. The next morning, she tells her parents she has something important to handle. Her revenge plan is now officially in motion. She goes straight to a real estate agency and finalizes the deal to sell her property. The new homeowner confirms the remaining $8 million is being wired to her account now. The moment the money hits her account, she sends one cold text message. "We're getting a divorce." Then she blocks all of his contact methods immediately. She then calls the new homeowner, giving him the passcode. She tells him he can take possession of the house at any time. The husband is baffled by the divorce text, but his family just scoffs, telling him she's bluffing to get attention. His brother even suggests beating her when she returns to teach her a lesson. They are completely oblivious to the storm that's coming. After the husband leaves, the parasitic brother and his wife immediately plot to take over the master bedroom. They believe the house is now theirs for the taking. The wicked mother-in-law immediately agrees to her younger son's greedy demand. She smugly declares this will be the perfect lesson for the runaway wife. When the doorbell rings, the whole family shares a wicked smirk. They are absolutely certain the wife has come crawling back to beg for forgiveness. But standing at the door is the new homeowner, flanked by his assistants. He calmly announces he's here to take over his